Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the status bar on your Vivaldi browser on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to hide the status bar on your Vivaldi browser on the computer. So I'm just going to show in this video. First of all, click on the setting. It's the shortcut was Control F12, or just go click on, it's actually open it on the general. So you just need to click on the appearance. Then after clicking on the appearance, just scroll down to the bottom section. Here you can find an option called status bar. You can see that is the options: show status bar, status info overlay, or hide status bar. So you just need to hide the status bar. Click this, which hide the status bar. You can see in the bottom section the status bar has been gone. So the status bars contain the percentage, time, and a lot of other more options like crop settings like that. If you don't want that, you just need a full screen browser. Click this, which will hide the status bar on the bottom on your Vivaldi browser. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.